Welcome to this beautiful ranch-style home in a sought-after, well-established Salmon Creek neighborhood. It's conveniently located, close to highly rated schools, an abundance of shopping and dining options, the state-of-the-art legacy Salmon Creek Hospital, and it has easy access to the I-5 and I-205 interchange. Heading inside, you'll discover a light and bright interior with vaulted ceilings, a cozy fireplace, and beautiful wood shutters. The spacious kitchen is well appointed with a large island, granite counters, and abundant storage space. You'll find a convenient office space on the main level with a utility room. The sunroom is sure to be a favorite place, framed with elegant French-style doors, letting the beauty of the outside in. The private master suite's barn door adds architectural style. Plus, you'll find an ensuite bath and a walk-in closet. On the lower level, you'll find a bonus room with a closet, plus an expansive, flexible space for any number of uses. The low-maintenance yard is perfect for connecting with nature or just relaxing in the serene setting. Living here, you'll enjoy numerous recreational options and the nearby Fuller Park, offering a variety of sports fields, including baseball and soccer. And you can explore the Salmon Creek Regional Park, consisting of 35 developed acres and 368 acres of undeveloped green space, including a 3-mile-long paved trail. A beautiful home in a fantastic neighborhood. You'll find it all here ready for you to call home. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Patty Bright-Wirges at 360-901-9667.